Hello and welcome to the 9th tutorial from FIBO Group on the Metatrader 4 platform. We are now going to go through how to place a new trade in Metatrader 4. Go over to the Market Watch window and right-click the mouse and then click on New Order. You can also use the shortcut F9 on your keyboard. To place a trade at the market price, choose the volume of the trade and make sure Instant Execution is selected. You can now click either the buy or sell order. Once the trade is executed, you press OK, and when you come down, you can now see the trade in your trade window. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next lesson.